our channel, the Skinler TV Official. So before we're gonna start with our topic right now, I just wanna wish everybody is safe, happy, and looking forward for a great summer. So our topic for today, this is our sensitive line. We call it gentle dab. And why does we choose Monterre again? Because Monterre is 100% Canadian-based product, non-GMO, not tested on animals, and then they're all paraben-free. So first, we're gonna start what this product does. So this product, we call it Gentle Dove, and it's really proven here in Skin Lore because these products are very good for irritated, sensitive skin, and even to the inflamed skin, and even to the clients who has just finished their resurfacing treatment. So we're gonna start with their cleanser. So with the cleanser, this one has really like more than 6 active components in them. One of them is the Defensal R Plus. So the Defensal R Plus is a combination from sunflower blackcurrant cream. So this one is really good for inflammation and microcirculation of the skin. So that's why this is very good for people who has their skin flaking from allergy. So we have here lots of clients that their skin during extreme temperature here, especially here in Alberta, they have this flaky skin. So this one has a creamy texture. That's why it's so good for those type of clients when their skin is so irritated, because this is so gentle and it has also some arnica in it. So this is a cream texture. So just in case, for this is used to our clients who have their flaky skin. So their skin is really so dry and their skin is flaky. So they're gonna put this one because this is a cream, right? That. So this one would alleviate the irritation. Because usually the sensitive skin, the flaky skin, it's really red and irritated. You can imagine some of our clients, they're even drinking like an anti-allergy or anti-itchiness. But they told us that after using this product, they could really feel the calming effect of this product. So yeah, right now I can feel it's really cool. It's really so light on the skin. So you could try this one for those clients who have flaky and dry skin. Usually it happens during winter time or sometimes even summer. They have that problem. So you put it and then after that leave it for a while and then they wash it with water. Right? So we don't have water here. So that's the component of it. And then after that one, they dump it with their towel and then they use this one, the Gentle Dab Toner. So the Gentle Toner, aside from the Defensal Plus that I mentioned a while ago, this one has aloe vera leaf extract. So we all know that aloe vera has a calming effect aside from the anti-inflammatory effect of this one. So after washing their face, our clients sometimes use cotton or sometimes they just spray this one. So this type of products, they also come in travel sizes because we all know that their skin is inflamed, irritated, and very sensitive. So usually we advise them to try the products, the travel size product first before buying the big one. So this one, as I've mentioned, has the aloe vera leaf extract. So when they spray it, it has a calming effect and soothing effect. So it really relieves the tension on their skin. And of course, because it has a Defensal extract in it, it helps with the barrier also. And next is what we call the Gentle Plus Cream. So we call it Gentle Plus Cream because it has like more than 10 active components in here. So the number one component in here is the Tigo family. So we have the Tigo Zactus, we have the Tigo stem cell in here. So the Tigo is very good for stimulation of the microcirculation. So it really alleviates the redness of your skin. It really calms it. Right? It would really give that moisture and it would really help the soothing effect because of this one. So this one is also have the arnica extract a little bit in them. So we all know arnica is very good for the microcirculation. It really helps with the bruises because this type of clients, they have this smooth thin skin. And then at the same time, they have like patches of skin. Some areas are so thin and sensitive, some areas are thick because of the lichenification and the darkening. So that's why the next product is the serum. This one is very good. So sometimes our clients would use this one, the cleanser first, and then as I've told you, they're gonna put it for a little bit, like 1 to 2 minutes because of the soothing effect, and then wash it, and then immediately they spray with the aloe vera leaf extract in it. And then sometimes they use the arnica before the gentle plus cream. But the arnica, as I've mentioned a while ago, here, this one is very good. So this one has really a 15% component of arnica. So arnica is very good for bruises. So some people, they use it after they put an injection and they put arnica in it to relieve the bruises, the darkening, because it really helps the microcirculation of the skin. So I've mentioned that people who have very sensitive or environmentally stressed skin, they have like patches of skin. Sometimes the affected area is just between the around the cheeks, or sometimes in the forehead or on the chin. So the surrounding area is very sensitive. So that's why we advise them to use a serum that is so sensitive, that is so mild and yet very effective. But this one has no greasy component in them. When you're gonna put it in your face, you could really feel the relief of the skin. But we don't advise this for acneic clients, because with acneic clients, it stays the moisture of the skin. So, guys, if you wanna try this one, there are products that available in travel size, because we always tell our clients, please do the travel size first before you try the big sizes. So because we always run out of our products, because this one is Canadian made product, so it has a lot number, if you can see here. So these products are really manufactured according to your order. So that's why we always run out of products. We advise our clients to please order, because they only make it when you order. So thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it in your Facebook page. And thank you guys for watching. We'll try our best, me and my marketing manager, Sabrina Sase, to deliver more of this type of YouTube content. Thank you guys. Bye for now.